Hi everyone, welcome to Igbo Class. Today we want to look at how you can become a tutor in Igbo Class. So simply visit our menu section, still the same thing on mobile view. You can quickly click on the menu, you see tutor section, then become a tutor. So I will switch back to desktop view, but same thing. So on this stage, all you need to do is what? Fill in your details, phone number, then which country, city, then continue. So on the continue part, we would like to know for you to select the language you want to teach, which Igbo language for now. Then do you know any other language? Then you can select if any language you are familiar with. The years of experience you can pick, the years of experience that you have so far. Then do you have any teaching certificate? You can pick any one if you have. Then we need you to give us a kind of a SOP. So I can pick any random thing and add for now. So as I'm adding, I have 100 words. They need 150 to 250. Okay, so you need to provide a kind of SOP. For now, they need the minimum of 100 words. Then I can paste, and they show me that I have 37 words, meaning that I need to continue. I can paste again. So I'm having 74 words. Maybe paste again. So this one on your own part, you don't need to just copy random thing. You need to sit down, write something interesting that will make us approve you as a teacher. So once you are done, they want to know how you're able to hear about us, social media or so. Then you can click continue. Then we look at availability. You select that I'm available in a week for maybe 5 to 10 hours, meaning that when you look at that 1 hour we are looking at in a week, you may be appearing 5 different times in a week. Example, you want to have a class on Saturday in the evening, 1 hour session, maybe let's start today in the morning, that's like 2 hours. On Sunday in the evening, that's like 3 hours. Then Tuesday, Thursday, you're also free, maybe morning and evening. So it falls within 5 to 10 hours. So you can just pick anything for now. This thing you can change them later. So it doesn't matter how you are feeling it. Then we click on next. This shows you a complete review of what you're able to do, what feel. So for you to submit, you must agree to our terms and consents before you click submit application. So for now, this whatever I feel there is not making sense, so I'm not going to submit it. So you have to preview and make sure that it's okay. So once you submit, I'm sure that we look at it, we approve it. Once you approve it, you're going to get an email that your tutor account has been approved. So we need to get the second information. So there are 2 stages to tutor application. This is the first one. So the second stage has to do with you providing maybe additional informations, the documents, like we need their ID card, we need the passport, I think we need the evidence of address, something like that. So our certificate, I think we need to provide certificate. So some of the basic documents for us to confirm. So once all those things are provided, I'm sure that final approval will be given to you. So when final approval is done, I'm sure that I'm going to do the next video to show the second stage and the final approval. So at the final approval, all you need to set, once you approve the second time, you just now set the amount you want to be charging per hour. Then set the available days. These are the only 2 things we are setting. Then you turn on your availability. So in Igbo Class, you can either turn on or turn off availability. So when you know that this week or next week I won't be available for online classes, you turn it off to avoid somebody booking you when you're not available. So when you turn on availability on, status will be online. Then you will start appearing in our landing page, as you can see, and our tutor page. So when we scroll down, we can start seeing some of the tutors as well. You'll start seeing it. So I'm sure that after the first stage, second stage is where you are expected to do a 1-minute video, then reach out to our support. By the time we approve it, reach out to our support and send a minute video to us. So once that 1-minute video is sent, we are going to return a link. So we are managing the videos from our internal host. So we'll return a link which you are going to submit when doing the second stage application. So that link is very important. So we also try to provide training, but the essence of this is how Tutor application works. So we always encourage people to do the first stage, then get the first approval before you now start working on second stage, getting the documents, recording 1 minute video. What is 1 minute video? Just like this person, I can look at any of our teacher, click on this. This is this person's.
Aha bụ Nwada Lilian Soflochukwu Eze, onye nkuzi asụsụ Igbo.
So you can watch this later. I can click on any other teacher to see the 1 minute video.
Hello everyone, I'm Happiness Ezinne Ayogu from Enugu State precisely. I'm an Igbo language tutor.
So that's what it looks like when you do your 1 minute video. So some can do landscape, some do portrait.
Hello kids, Mr. Nwachukwu Ifeanyi, you are Igbo tutor. Wow, Igbo language. Yes, Igbo language is an interesting language. Believe me, you will like.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time, and if you have any question, don't forget you can reach out to us via support@igboclass.com, or you can give us a call, and we're here to answer and give you all the possible feedback you need. Bye.